Can I use baking soda to clean car battery corrosion? If you are a teenager learning to drive and take care of your own car, you might have come across some battery corrosion. It can look like a blue-green substance around the battery terminals. This buildup can cause problems when starting your vehicle. So, can you use baking soda to clean it? Let's break it down. Battery corrosion happens when the battery terminals react with moisture and oxygen. This reaction creates that crusty substance that can interfere with the electrical connections in your car. If left unchecked, it can make starting your vehicle a hassle. Baking soda is a great option for cleaning this corrosion. It is a base that neutralizes the acid in the corrosion, making it easier to remove. Plus, it is safe and non-toxic, unlike some harsh cleaning agents that can leave sticky residues. Here is how to clean your battery terminals with baking soda. First, safety is key. Always wear safety goggles and gloves to protect yourself from any acid spills. Next, make sure your car is turned off. Disconnect the battery cables, starting with the negative cable, which is usually black. Now, mix baking soda with water to create a paste. A good ratio is about 1 tablespoon of baking soda to 1 cup of water. Apply this paste to the corroded areas using a brush. You will notice some fizzing as the baking soda reacts with the acid. This is a good sign that it is working. After applying the paste, gently scrub the terminals with a soft bristled brush or a wire brush. Be careful not to damage the terminals. Once you have scrubbed away the corrosion, rinse the area with water to remove any leftover baking soda. Finally, dry the terminals thoroughly with a paper towel before reconnecting the battery cables. Always connect the positive cable first, which is usually red, and then the negative cable. As a teenager, it is important to check your battery terminals regularly, especially during routine maintenance. Keeping an eye on them can prevent corrosion buildup. If you ever need to jumpstart your car, clean terminals will ensure a good connection, making the process smoother. By following these steps, you can keep your car's battery in good shape. Regular maintenance is part of being a responsible car owner. Cleaning corrosion is a simple task that can save you from future headaches.